Okay, good morning, everybody. It's Tuesday. Welcome back to Dr. Bober's Online Learning. I want to start out with a shout out. Olivia, woo, 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 woo. She got her certificate for Core 5. So Olivia, I'm going to put this in the mail for you so you can get your certificate. Wyatt, I have yours also. So I will put that one in the mail for you too. All right, couple other things. We have, one more shout out for Lila and Max. Thank you for doing your Khan Academy. I saw that, good job. Okay, let's talk about the points because I know that was something new that I just started yesterday. We are now going to be getting points. So here is what my screen looks like. Do you see that? All right, there they are. And so what I do is every time you complete an assignment on Google Classroom, every time you complete an assignment, I'll give you a point. Now, some of the assignments I decided to be worth more points because they take longer. Like, for example, the Newsela articles, you're reading, you're annotating, you're highlighting, you're doing a quiz, you're doing a quick write. So I made that one worth 2 points. So every day for the article, you can get 2 points. Now for Core 5, I decided to do 5 points. If for some reason it seems like it's too many or too little, we can always adjust, but I did 5 points because Core 5 does take a long time. A lot of people, it takes more than one sitting, so I did 5 points for that. If you've already finished your Core 5, I will just give you those 5 points automatically on every Monday, okay? So this is how I can do points. So I'm just gonna pretend like I'm giving Akira a point. Okay, so I'll click on that student and you can see here's all the areas that you guys can get your points in, okay? So you've got your Core 5 minutes and it says right at the top worth 5 points. Your daily journal is 1 point. Your GG is 1 point every day that you go on and do GG progress. It's 1 point. Khan Academy is 1 point. So again, you can do GG or you can do the Khan Academy each day. And then the math activity is 1 point. Participating in our Zoom meeting, I am taking attendance on that, so that's 1 point. And then your reading is 2 points that I talked about. Okay, so that's how people are getting their points. Really, I'm doing this just to hold you guys accountable. I want you to do your work. I need you to do your work so you guys can be ready for middle school. And so we will do points. Okay, and then I found a really cool e-card. It's called Jib Jab, if you've ever heard of it before. And so I am creating a Jib Jab cartoon e-card for the winners each day. So look forward to getting that and we'll think of different prizes, but that was the best prize I could think of that's digital that you guys can get immediately. So we'll be getting that for our dojo point winners each day. Let's talk about our schedule. Okay, so today we've got our journal. Our reading today is the physics of water bottle flipping. We did that water bottle flipping contest for Valentine's. Do you remember doing that game? And so I thought that article would be appropriate. And there's also a writing activity later on in the day that will tie in. So make sure you read that. For virtual fitness, I included a video for you guys. That's some home exercises. It's about 13 minutes long. So if you guys can pull that up, that little video, you can do those exercises at home. We've got our Esperanza Rising, and we are reading a new chapter today. And then our math. Okay, math comes out of this workbook now. So every day we'll have one lesson. Okay, we're in chapter 11. You should have already done the Show What You Know last week, but if you didn't get a chance to do this page last week, just do the front, Show What You Know, and you're basically showing yourself what you already know. Just, to remind yourself of geometry. It's probably been a little while. We're doing lesson 11.1 today, polygons. Now I found a teacher who has these videos already made. I was going to take some time and make them, but since there's a 5th grade teacher who already did that, I'm going to be uploading those videos for you. If you need the video to walk you through step by step of this lesson, go ahead and watch it and do it right along with him, and he actually puts the answers in as he goes. No looking ahead. Okay, if you can just do it on your own, then just do it on your own. You can FaceTime a friend, do it together, No problem. The share and show, of course, try to call someone or do that with someone so you can talk through it. And then the on your own, I want it on your own. So that's when you say bye if you're talking to someone and do that section on your own. You can also go back to the application and do that with a friend, okay? If you want to start at the application and then work your way back, you can do that too. So it's one lesson a day. We will start today with 11.1 polygons, and then each day we'll have a new lesson, okay? So that is math. I included some fun polygon games if you have extra time, and also those videos I was telling you about. Of course, go and do your GG or your con if you didn't do it yesterday. You want to stay up with that. Plus you get a point every day for just doing a little bit of it each day. Okay, today we have writing, and the writing's going to take all week. We'll be done with it on Friday. So for the writing, it's the topic is opinion, and it's should we drink bottled water? You know, there's a lot of people buying bottled water right now, and if you go into the grocery store, you'll see the shelves are completely empty. So it's like, well, why are people buying bottled water? Should we buy it? Is there a better way to, you know, help support our earth and make things better? Saving money, I don't know, maybe there's something better. So you're going to read those articles and you're going to decide for yourself if you think drinking bottled water is a good idea, and then you'll write your opinion essay using the guide I gave you. So just follow along with the directions in Google Classroom, okay? Now science, I was telling you about the science activity, and I was telling you to make sure you have these items prepared. So please make sure you have 4 pennies. They need to be old, dirty, dull, and the directions from me said before 1982. So if you look at the date and try to find some old dates, like in the early 80s or back in the 1970s, see if you can find some old dates. Those will work the best. So dull, dirty pennies. Okay, you need 4. You need some hand soap, some liquid hand soap. You need a little bit of salt. You need a little bit of clear vinegar. It's called white vinegar. And then some colored pencils to do the activity. If you can, print out the worksheets. But if you don't have a printer hooked up, then you can just do your work in a notebook, okay? That's today. And that should take you most of the day, all right? Trying to make it fun, trying to make it exciting, but also getting our learning done, all right, kids? So have a great day, have some fun with the learning, and if you have any questions, just text me on Class Dojo. All right, see you tomorrow. Bye.